I have every single Tony Awards on VHS, I think since 1994, 95. I would tape the Tony Awards and then obsessively watch them every day after school and teach myself all the choreography. Can still do We're in the Money from 42nd Street. I also sometimes don't even love to say that I'm a choreographer. The very heady Jason will say, I'm a lover of art and a seeker of beauty. Pulling Jason back down to earth, I would say I'm a choreographer, because I do that through dance. That is my vehicle in which I explore art and explore beauty. When you can no longer speak, you sing. And when you can no longer sing, you dance. So dance lives at this most heightened form, which is terrifying and freeing at the same time. When you get to a script of a show that's already done, there's lines, there's lyrics, and then it gets to a big production number and it says, they dance. It's about that big, right? And it says, they dance. Right? Everybody else has a roadmap. And that is amazing and terrifying all in the same spot. Because that means that you have to come up with the ideas. You have to come up with the story that you're trying to convey in this. And what I love about theater is that there's something extremely important that I'm trying to tell you through dance. We use it to communicate a conversation. Theater does not exist without an audience, right? That's an important communication loop. How is this audience receiving it? What is the energy that they're giving back to me? And then how am I processing that and giving that back out? That's what's so beautiful. Like, that's what I love about what we do, is that the differences are what make us, and then that can be expanded to what's going on in our country right now, is the importance of having unique visions and points of views and backgrounds and everything, I think, is integral to the survival, actually, of the human race. My interest in storytelling is taking the ordinary and expanding it. That's where I like to find beauty in what we do every day. Because I think there's a tremendous amount of beauty in all of it that gets overlooked. You can make a pencil fantastical. You can make this chair. You could anything by just the attention that you give it. It's what children do every day, right? It's how children play. This ratty old blanket is the most beautiful cape that a king would wear. And they believe it, and everybody else around them believes it because of the focus that they put onto it. That's a ratty old blanket. No, this is the most beautiful cape I've ever worn. And if you believe that, then the audience believes it. And that's where I think that you can make anything fantastical. I hope that it makes people take pause in their life and say, what are the moments in my life that I maybe need to take a step back from and look with a wider lens, that sometimes I'm like this.